One of my favorite things to use in Christmas time is actually this Christmas tree saver. This is our second year using it, and we got the same product again because we loved it so much. It really helps us get all the needles looking the best. As you can see, we just put our Christmas tree in. We haven't decorated it yet. We are about to, but we did put in the base of the tree about a quarter of the bottle, and there will be some left at the end of the year. We just put a little bit in every time, and we felt that this really had helped us keep the needles full. The needles didn't drop as much. We could see a considerable difference. As you can see, the tree, we just put it in a few days ago, and really nothing has dropped. So that's why this is our favorite. We did notice that last year it was a greener tint. This year they're clear. I'm guessing it's just an added dye that they had removed. But if you're looking at some Christmas tree saver and Christmas tree just food and some nutrients that'll help your tree last all day and all season, because I like to keep mine up even extra long. I just love Christmas and I love to have it up forever. This is one to try.